Ago any me, Ibwajowa. Ingelani Mahani Lika, clinical, Ngayilo, Wahame Numeno, clinical, ne rapon, ne abenu, ne pia Juko Michoyo, Wahamenu. Abape mechanized ball hame, and nesu mechanized ball no, Ibwajo, tank, no fe no kunge, Namapu Nuka, Ibwajowa, Lingelani Yele. Rapon clinical nge rapon anesu nyuno ingela nyele ingela ne mango platform no ne make ha promosido na pio ka be make ha mechumwa me like skaba you know say World Vision cheme equipment ka support you ba pia ila ma ha mechumwa enyumme Ibwajowa kan clinic no wa nyino wa ha menyu lo ke de mo sika na bijuko mecho na nyupo ha me clinic ojino ne abijuko mecho na nyupo ha me logo ake machuni logo ake mo hiani na be wam Ibwajowa an clinic inyi mi mewu ke wanya dalio me nge yilo MC ke MP abi no go pay yo wama pay hame ke zobe ahem ne ni mi no me hia boam na abi no go pay yo wama pay hame ke zobe ahem kai po wama pay hame ke iba Facebook ninge hwikpan yo inyi mi enga ni chu i platform no ne wo twebu an no share enga ni chu nyekwa ne wakonim ko onyu nyekwa ne jeb ne ninga wo jeme wakonim ko onyu wa mango platform no wa ka ma hani politicians o me allo wanya dalio me a enwe mabli wa ma hu kwa watem wa ma hu kwa wa ato mo me anokwale e dey na enwe mabli nyime Ibwajowa right Ibwajowa Mr. Cooper lo le no right even MP here na war Mr. Nyakote le we le no se pie komo lo Ibwajowa ike lani mo le gan anesu nyunyu no Ibwajowa. Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know that the clinic at Rapon in Yilo have water now. Now they don't have to send their children to go and fetch water for them. They have water now. I'm really happy. I'm really happy that we have results. We've gotten results. I'm really happy. I want to take this opportunity to thank Promosido, producers of Cowbell, for financing this. And I also want to thank World Vision for supporting this with their equipment and with their know-how. I want to thank them. Guys, let's keep doing this. You see, I want to use my platform to keep getting these results, right? I want to keep getting these results, right? Let's keep doing this. Let's keep sharing it. Let's not let the insults, right, and the hate stop us. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep shouting, right, into the ears of our leaders, of our MCs, our MPs. Let's keep shouting, right? Hopefully, they will start listening, but we will not stop shouting. We will keep shouting. We will keep making the noise, right? And they will listen eventually. They will listen, right? I want to thank everybody. Now, we've managed to give this clinic a mechanized borehole, and they are happy. Now they don't have to send kids anymore, and that makes me happy. Thank you very much. Thank you. I also really want to thank Mr. Ajete. He's the manager from Promosido, right? He made sure this happened, right? He always says yes to our demands. You know, initially, we didn't plan to get this clinic a borehole. But when we got to Rapon, right, to give people of Rapon water, we realized the clinic was not also having water. So we asked Mr. Ajete, can you please help us get water for this clinic? And he said yes. He always says yes to our demands. So I want to say thank you, Mr. Ajete. You really, really helped, right? He's the manager from Promosido. Really helpful. Thank you so much. I also want to thank Kamal Ahmed. He's the journalist from CTV. He's basically coordinated all of this, right? He made sure he went to check on the work. Even with this one, he took the engineers to town, helped them get an electrician, helped them hire a truck, helped them buy a tank from the township, Kufridra Township. Thank you so much, Kamal. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Myself.